Hey everybody, not at the Reboot today. I'm here in my backyard here in Ottawa, Ontario. And I'm here because, I don't know if you can see it there, but one of these big, tall spruce trees in behind me here is scheduled to be removed today because it's not doing too well. The reason why it's being chopped up into small pieces is because the access point down each side of the house, both access points are quite narrow, so not easy to get large pieces of tree trunk out of here. And as you can see down this side of the house, again, quite narrow. So Capital Timber, everybody, this is a professional tree removal service. They have all the gear, all the equipment. I'm lucky enough to have Andrew Clifford here today with his company to remove the tree. And Andrew, just interested in terms of complexity, what are you dealing with here?
Okay, well, we're removing the spruce tree. It's a pretty straightforward job for us. It requires a good amount of equipment, a truck, a chipper, and then another truck to haul the wood away. 3 people on site, and that's about it. Awesome. Pretty straightforward. We'll take the tops out and the branches out, and we'll probably take a lot of it out on a block and pulley system, so we can lower it to the ground safely. That's going to be pretty interesting to see. And in terms of safety and quality of equipment, the most important part is probably just the PPE. Like, we've all got hard hats, safety glasses, and we've got headsets so we can talk to each other over the chainsaws and the wood chippers. And Harley's equipped with the climbing belt and spurs to spike up the tree, and a safety line to keep him in place. And he's got a lanyard as well, so we've always got 2 points of tie-in.
Awesome. Really working his way up the tree right now. And so, as Andrew explained, what they have to do in order to start removing the actual trunk of the tree, they have to remove all those branches. It gives them a clear way to work in terms of moving the branches up and down. Can you see him up there? He is way up there right now. Let's zoom in and see what he's up to. So he's getting close to the top there. I find this quite interesting. So I was just speaking with Andrew, and he explained that every member of the 3-person crew can do the jobs interchangeably. So for example, Andrew can easily go up the tree and do that work, and the other member of their team also does this kind of work also. And he says they essentially just pick and choose from job to job who's going to go up and who's going to do which job. And I've been listening to them communicating on their radio headsets and constantly just talking about which way to approach the climb up, which branches to take off, and maneuver his way up the tree. So Andrew's hooking in a heavier line right now. They're getting ready to bring down the top of the tree, I think. So. And as you can see, it is a bit windy out here today. I'm going to say we've got 20-kilometer winds, maybe gusting up to 30 kilometers an hour. These guys say it's no problem whatsoever. If it isn't obvious to everybody, these guys come fully equipped, have all the right training, and they make this look very easy. So what's the big block at the bottom there, Andrew?
It's called a border wrap. So it's just to provide friction to the line. So you can hold a heavier top.
So he's literally moving forward with removing the top of the tree now then?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I have a feeling that'll get jammed up on the floor there.
See the drone right there? Very quiet. He's got himself an electric chainsaw, and Andrew said that the battery life on that will outlast this job quite easily, so no concern about power source up there at all. And then they just lower it down on the line. A little bit of sawdust coming down. A lot of it blowing over the top of the house, they're up so high. There you go. Top of the tree is capped. They make quick work of it on the ground here with their chainsaws before they drag it out to the chipper in front.